Hey guys, we hope you had a productive week. We are back with some more Saturday morning meta picks. Now, if you want to see the full video on any of these projects, make sure you head on over to the Meta Money channel.
That's right, we are always dropping new videos on the Metaverse, hot NFTs, and play to earn gaming. Link below in the description. Make sure to wait until the end of this video as well, where Justin will tell us which project he invested in. All right guys, it's time to get that meta money.
The first project that we're talking about today is an immersive 5D metaverse built on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, Wilder World is a project founded by 3D artist Frank Wilder, and it is powered by Real Engine 5. It is set in a dystopian future where society is trying to rebuild the perfect world.
Yeah, the first city to come to life in Wilder World will be a one-to-one digital replica of my former hometown, Miami, or as they call it now, Wyami.
Nice.
So it's a futuristic vibe that has a mesh of the 1980s Miami with some cyberpunk flair.
Very cool. Now, Wild is the token. It is the native token of Wilder World, and it serves as the governance token for the Wilder DAO. Now, these tokens will be used as voting mechanisms for Wilder stakeholders, as well as to incentivize the expansion of the Wilder metaverse. From new protocols and services to the development of fully virtual people, places, and things.
The largest exchanges you could find Wild on are KuCoin, Gate.io, and Uniswap, but there are many more, so make sure to check out the CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko for the full list.
Yep. Now, the Wild token is an all-time high was almost $8 back in November of 2021, and the all-time low was just 7 cents, and that was back in June of 2021. It's about 75% off its all-time high, so there is some room to run if it's going to get back up to the top.
If you're looking for more info on Wilder World, check the website wilderworld.com, or feel free to check out the video we dropped on Wednesday this week on the Meta Money channel. Links to both are in the description.
Very good. All right, so the next project that we're going to talk about today is an open social virtual reality world being built, again, on the Ethereum blockchain. It also has functionality with Solana. Now, this comes with a partnership with Sony since 2019.
Yeah, Somnium Space is the world's first equity crowd-funded social VR world, where people can own land and other assets in one of the most innovative and, I would say, ambitious VR worlds out today. It's a blockchain-based world where anyone can buy land and build on it, as well as import avatars and easily monetize all their experiences.
The native token and in-game currency is Somnium Space Cubes, and it goes by the ticker of Cube.
Cube has a circulating supply of 13 million tokens. They had just under a 4-cent all-time low back in March of 2020 and an all-time high of $28 in November of 2021. So looking at those metrics, it might be a good time to buy if you're ready to start DCAing into the metaverse.
Very, very smart. All right, now to learn more about the VR world and this project, make sure to watch the video that we dropped this past Thursday on the Meta Money channel, or you can also check out the website somniumspace.com. Links are provided down below in the description.
All right, the third and final project on our list today is a name you probably definitely heard of, and it's building out their metaverse platform on the Ethereum blockchain. The mission is to bring decentralization and universality to the video game and interactive entertainment industry. The name of this project is Atari.
Dang, blast from the past. All right, now the goal of the Atari token is to be the utility token of reference within the video game and interactive entertainment world, either as an in-game token or as a means of exchange for services and or products between individuals and companies.
Yeah, you can find the Atari token on several exchanges, with our favorite being Uniswap and PancakeSwap. The official contract addresses are going to be below in the description. They are on some other exchanges as well, so check your favorite research site for the full list.
There you go. Now, Atari has got 1.5 billion tokens in circulation. They've seen a high of 78 cents and an all-time low of 0.2 of a penny.
Wow.
Now, this could be good buy, especially when you see how much it's down from its all-time high.
Like 3 cents today I saw. I think I'm going to pick some up.
Good call.
All right, Justin, it's time to let the community know, what project did you invest in?
All right, well, now Wilder World is absolutely my favorite project out of the 3 that we talked about today. Did I invest in it? No, not yet. And that's because we actually want to form a partnership with them, because there's a couple things I'm really interested in, especially the shoe drop NFTs. Love to get a custom Meta Money shoe. Now, as far as the investment goes, today and this week, Somnium Space is where I put my money. But
Nice.
It's really funny. Literally, as I was typing the script,
Yeah.
I got a DM on Twitter with someone asking me if we're going to do a video on Somnium Space. So I thought that either we have a hacker or it was a sign. I took it as a sign.
All right, well, there you go. That's going to do it for today's video. If you like this kind of content and want to see more, make sure to head over to the Meta Money channel, and don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss miss any of our Metaverse content.
That's right. Have yourself a great rest of your weekend, and we will see you back here next week for some more Meta Money.